The paragraph group in Microsoft PowerPoint is very similar to the other Microsoft softwares. It allows you to change the text alignment, add indents, set text direction, adjust the line and paragraph spacing. To change the text alignment, simply place your cursor in a text box and then select the alignment. You can have left, centered, right, or justified. To add an indent into your text, simply place your cursor where you want the indent to be and then select the indent option. This will move the start of your paragraph further away from the margin. In PowerPoint, you can use the paragraph group to control columns. Simply highlight the text that you want in columns and then select the column dropdown. You'll immediately have the option of 1, 2, or 3 columns. If you select more columns, you can add extra details to advance your columns. Paragraph group also allows you to change your text direction. To do this, click on a text box and then click on the drop-down. You'll see that there's horizontal, rotate all text 90 degrees, rotate all text to 70 degrees, and stacked. These options can be good if you're trying to present information in a different way. Have a play around with it. The line spacing and paragraph spacing will increase the gap between the lines of your text and increase the gap between the paragraphs in your text. To do this, select the text box, highlight the text, and then select the arrow in the paragraph group. This will open up a new window where you will see the spacing, before and after, and then the line spacing option. The spacing before and after is the paragraph, and the line spacing is the line spacing. Often, text with more gaps between it, say 6 point and 6 point and 1.15, will be easier to read. Have a play around with your documents. You can also align your text. What this means is that when you have a text box, you can place the text either at the top, center, or bottom of it. This allows you more control over what's in your text box. Have a play around with it as you work through. Lastly, PowerPoint has the Smart Art feature. These are preset templates which can display information. These could be things like a process graph. To use it, highlight the text in a text box and then select the Convert to Smart Art graphic. The drop-down will open multiple different ways of presenting text. If you don't have any text, you can also hover over them and it will show you how it might look. As PowerPoint is used as a visual way of showing information, these can be quite effective in your presentations.